Hey YouTube, Friedrich here with another quick tip. Today I want to show you some line settings for grease pencil that I find very interesting. Let's have a look. So here we are in Blender on an empty scene, and these are more or less the standard brushes, some different ones, but if you select any brush, let's say this one, and you draw a line and you change into edit mode and look at your line with the vertices on, then you see there's a lot of little polygons and vertices here that can make your line quite smooth. This is how a normal brush would look like. But if you go into the settings of the brush in the N menu under Tool and go into Advanced and go into Post-Processing, you click that, you have this option here, Simplify. Let's put in 0.1 and you draw again, and you can compare these. You see there's a lot less vertices. That is due to the simplification. It makes the line a little bit more edgy, but if you go in the sculpt tool and sculpt this around, you see the other one here stays a lot smoother, whereas this one starts to breaking up because there's only a couple of vertices here. First of all, I kind of like this clunky look. I think there's something strong design-wise in it. And secondly, if you are working on a laptop or something, not the most powerful machine, grease pencil objects or the scenes can get quite overwhelming. So it's a good way to make your scene smaller, especially in the rough stages, and later on go over with like a brush setting that is maybe has more vertices. Also experiment with it. I find the brush setting around 0.01 quite good. So if you compare that, see there's still a lot of vertices in it, and you can easily sculpt that around 10% less, or it has a lot less vertices than this one, for example. Also, another tool setting that I find interesting is this brush setting here, how big the range is of your brush setting. So how small can it be and how big will it be with how much pressure you put in. And I find it interesting to play around with it as well, especially for cleanup. I might not want to have like a line that changes so much because it's hard to control in cleanup. So I typically go for a brush setting that is sort of like this, where when I just barely press, there's always already quite a thick line, and it doesn't get quite a lot thicker than that. This brush has other randomizing sort of settings on it that makes it so blobby, but I think it's an interesting setting, especially for cleanup, where you can be more in control of the thickness. Yeah, here you have it, some brush settings to play around with. Let me know what you think of it, how you're using the brushes, and what sort of brushes you prefer to work with. See you around. Bye bye. That wraps it up. I hope you could take something away from this video. If you want to learn more about Blender and my keyboard shortcuts that I set up for 2D animation, feel free to check out the link in the description below, leading you to my Gumroad course, teaching you everything that you would need to know to start using Blender as a 2D frame-by-frame tool without the 3D parts of it. I hope to see you soon on this channel with a lot more tutorials and quick tips all around Blender and other 2D animation tools. Until then, bye bye.